So in doing so, we are going to, based on what we have, we would have to create a third equation, right? So we're going to create a third equation here. So here is a third equation. With the third equation that we're going to create, we would try to let the x be by itself or the y be by itself. So let us say I intend to use equation 2 to create equation 3. So I am doing that. So I'm going to let x be by itself. Therefore, x is alone. How it is that the x is going to be by itself? We would have to get rid of this. You would understand that the y you would add y to both sides. Like when you plus the y here, plus the y here, then it disappears here, becomes 0, and it's on that side as a third equation. Can you see that? We have done this, all right? We created that third equation there. Then what we could do now is we could start our substitution, right? We could start our substitution. So what we do know here is that we can substitute, right now we can substitute 2 plus y or x. And because we use equation 2 to create equation 3, we can do this in equation 1. So we're going to do that substitution in equation 1. So the thing is, we would love to write equation 1 here. It's x plus 3y equals 6. This is equation 1. So this is equation 1 here. So what we're about to do now is to substitute, right? So 2 plus y where x is. So if you check this out, definitely we're going to put 2 plus y. 2 plus y. Because we're going to put 2 plus y wherever x is. So we're going to put 2 plus y there. Can you see? This is 2 plus y. I'm substituting it right there. And I'm going to write back with my black marker plus 3y equals 6. So the intention is that I want you to see that we have just substituted that there for the x. Now go like terms, like group like terms, right? So the intention is that we need to group like terms. So in grouping like terms, I'm looking at y plus 3y. That will give us, let me write it, y plus 3y. And then I'm gonna get rid of this 2 from that side by subtracting 2 from both sides. So then this is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. And then what we intend to do now is that we want to divide both sides by 4. So now you could see that we're getting 1, right? Getting 1. So y is equal to 1. We can now substitute 1 over y. And we could do it now in equation 3. Why am I using equation 3? Because it's a little bit easier. Do I have to use equation 3? No. I can use any one of the 3 equations, but equation 3 is the one that says x is equal to 2 plus y. The thing is, I intend to find a value for x at this moment, right? So I want to find a value for x at this moment. And because I want to find a value for x, then I would want to use an equation where x is by itself already. So you could see that x is equal to 2 plus y, but definitely I know that y is 1. Therefore, we could conclude that x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1.